Hello everyone, I'm Wonder Maker. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to build a colorful light-up drum using Arduino. The main components we'll be using are an Arduino board and its expansion board, vibration module, and a WS2812 LED strip. First, let's introduce the vibration module. The vibration module consists of a piezoelectric ceramic wafer and a signal amplifier. A piezoelectric ceramic is a material that can convert mechanical energy, such as pressure or vibration, into electrical energy, and vice versa. The signal amplifier amplifies the generated electrical signal. The module supports a 3.3V to 5V power supply and provides both an analog output and a digital output. Since we need to adjust the vibration sensitivity based on the actual situation, we will use the analog output for reading the signal. Next, let's look at the LED strip. This is a common RGB LED strip that can control multiple LED beads through a single output. The strip supports a 4V to 7V power supply and has DI, data input, and DO, data output, pins. Typically, we connect the DO pin of one strip to the DI pin of the next strip to achieve a series connection. If there's only one strip, the DO pin can be left unconnected. Now, let's start connecting the circuit. Connect the A2 pin of the Arduino to the AD0 pin of the vibration module. Connect the power supply pins according to the VCC and GND markings. Test to see if the vibration module is working and if the effect is obvious. Next, connect the LED strip. Connect the pin 3 of the Arduino to the DI pin of the LED strip. Connect the power supply pins according to the VCC and GND markings. Test if the LEDs are working properly. I have put all the codes on the details page. To provide sufficient current for the LED strip, we will use a power bank and solder a USB connector to the Arduino expansion board. To make our drum more visually appealing, we will use a 3D printer to create a drum body. Firmly attach the vibration sensor to the center of the drum head. Note, to ensure accurate transmission of vibration signals, it is recommended to use a harder adhesive, avoiding soft adhesives like foam tape. Finally, let's test our colorful light-up drum.